Hello everyone. Welcome to Speak English Easily. My name is Pragati and today we are going to listen to a poem. The poem is taken from 10th Standard English textbook of State Board. The name of the poem is Where the Mind is Without Fear by Rabindranath Tagore. This poem is in the form of a prayer and it was written during the pre-independence period. Originally, Tagore composed it in Bengali, later himself translated it into English. This poem is from his Nobel Prize winning anthology Gitanjali. By anthology, we mean a collection of poems. This poem form of a prayer where Tagore appeals God to grant to his people, that is people of India, along with or in addition to political freedom, social, economic and educational freedom also. By social freedom, what Tagore meant was freedom from social injustice, discrimination on the basis of caste, creed, religion. By educational freedom, he wanted his people of his country, to be free from ignorance and illiteracy. So let us listen to this lovely poem, Where the Mind is Without Fear. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake. Friends, this is a prayer of a true patriot. Any person who loves his country will definitely pray like this for his country. So when poet says that, where the mind is without fear. Now when mind is without fear, he means people have no fear about anything and they can think clearly. And the head is held high. When you say head is held high, means every individual can live a life of self-respect and dignity. My country would be a place where knowledge would be free. No one is inferior or superior. Everybody has an access to knowledge. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, means where the world is not divided on the basis of religion, caste, class, color in societies, and also geographical boundaries between the countries of the world. Here the poet wants the whole world to be one. Where words come from the depth of truth. It means people of my country are truthful and sincere. The words come straight from their heart. They are fearless and they can speak the truth without being afraid of the consequences. Where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection. Means people of my country are hardworking, they are making efforts to achieve their goals, that is goal to make their country free, and it arms towards perfection. Perfection here means doing whatever they are doing to the best of their abilities. Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit. Here the poet has used a comparison metaphor. He has compared the logical thinking and reasoning of his countrymen to a clear stream and the superstitions and blind faith and old traditions to the sand of desert. Here the poet prays and wishes that the people of his country are rational and they do not accept old traditions and beliefs blindly. He prays that his people are not superstitious. Where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Lastly, poet Rabindranath Tagore wishes that every thought and action of his countrymen is guided by Lord Himself. He wishes that God lifts his country to the heaven of freedom. India of his dreams after independence would be a country where there is freedom of thought, faith, truth, and perfection. So, friends, I'm sure you must have understood the poem and also enjoyed this lovely poem. Thank you very much for watching and please do share with your friends. Thank you again.